Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download WhatsApp Backup from Google Drive. Let's get to the video. Okay, as you guys can see now, our first step is going to be you have to download AltData. Now, AltData is an Android data recovery tool. It can allow you to have access to your WhatsApp data and different data on your Android phone. So what you're gonna want to do is, first steps is you're gonna head and you're gonna download the AltData app. Okay, now once it's downloaded and you have it installed, what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go ahead and open it up. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go ahead and click Google Drive Data Recovery. So we'll go ahead and click that. And then from here, it's gonna ask you to sign in. So you could just go ahead and sign into your Google Drive. Give me a moment. Now, once you log in, you're going to see two options. It's going to say either recover device data, or it's going to say recover WhatsApp data. What you're going to want to do is, for this video, we're going to click recover WhatsApp data. And here is where you'll see all your WhatsApp data. Unfortunately, I don't have any WhatsApp data backed up on this on my Google Drive as yet. But if you do, you will see it appear in this box right here. So I'll put a screenshot somewhere for you guys to see how it should look. Now, basically, you could choose whatever WhatsApp backup you want to upload to the Google Drive. Like I said, I don't have any backed up right now, but I'm going to just show you guys screenshots on how it should look for each of the steps. Once you click your WhatsApp data, you're going to go ahead and click download. Now, once you click download, it's going to tell you have to turn off your two-step verification on WhatsApp. So you're going to have to head into your WhatsApp and deactivate that. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to head back over to AltData. You're going to click on the WhatsApp data that you want to choose to back up on Google Drive. And then you're going to click download. Now, once it's downloading, you're just going to give it a few seconds. And then from here, it's going to ask you to verify your WhatsApp account. So you're going to have to enter in your WhatsApp number. Once it's done downloading, you're going to select whatever you want to recover on your WhatsApp. Once you select what you want to recover on WhatsApp, you're going to go ahead and click recover. It should be down here. Now, once you do all of that, once you recover, all of your messages and photos would be on your computer. Like I said, unfortunately, I don't have an Android, but those are just screenshots of how the process should work out for all you Android users out there. Once again, guys, thank you guys so much for making it at the end of this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.